Man, I'm so happy to talk today. Someone I've worked with, someone who inspires me. Charlie, tell us about this award and what it means to you, brother.
Charlie, I don't know. This is the fourth time. You can't say it was luck. You can't say it was coincidence. This is the fourth time. I don't know what to say. I would like to thank everybody, the organizers, the general public, especially the team move fans, those who voted. I think I have nothing to say. I don't know if I have anything to do again about this songwriting stuff. It's four times, and it is what it is.
Has it always been something that's been a part of you, or did you develop it over time? Because, you know, there are people there who want to get into music, but they don't know how to do it, and it's difficult, and they're fearful.
Are you talking about the songwriting?
Yes.
I think it got developed when I realized that promotion is very hard. To promote a song is very hard. You need a lot of money, you need a lot of links, you need a lot of things, and people wouldn't just take any song and say, "Oh, this one will be a hit song. We are going to play it." No, the song should be extraordinary. It should be saying something that the people like, something that people can relate to. Atasa. So that was how come. Because I wouldn't have that huge money for promotion and stuff like that. I decided to make sure whatever I bring out will be very good, will be something that people will like, so that the promotion will be easier. DJs will play it willingly. I wanted the jobs of the DJs to be simple. So that's how come I'm here.
I mean, this is the 22nd VGMAs. You've been part of so many before, but how did you see this one? The organization, the setup, lighting, and everything. How did you see the awards?
Okay, I haven't performed yet. I will be performing tonight though, but I haven't performed yet. So I just went there, sat down, and some few minutes I had to go for the award. And from the look of things, from what I'm seeing here, yeah, I think everything is going on smoothly. Yeah, everything is nice.
Are you? I've asked a lot of people this, but I asked people who've been in the industry for so long and are doing so well. Are you happy with the way Ghanaian forward music is moving forward? Are we progressing as you'd like, or you think we can do more as artists, as DJs, as presenters, as organizers and stuff?
There's always room for improvement at us. We can do more. So far, I would say so far so good. So far so good, and we can still do more. Yeah.
Nice one, nice one. What should your fans expect from you? You know, fans are always hungry.
Yes.
You know, we always want more. Release music today, want some tomorrow. When are we getting new music, man?
Oh, they have Digress. Yeah, they have
That one
Digress.
is out, definitely is out.
Yeah, Digress is out, and it's like a month and a half ago, and the video is not out yet, but people are enjoying the song. So Digress for now. Yeah.
For now, right? When you're dropping new music, though, even though you drop so many hits, are you like a little nervous, like, hey, new maker? You're just like, you just drop it and let the people do what they'll do with it.
Yeah, sometimes you bring it, and then the people will be in a haste to criticize, especially this particular song. This behind the scene. After releasing, my own people in Takrade, like the FM stations, some of the FM stations in Takrade sat down and said, "Oh, this is, oh, this song there." They condemned the song. I heard it, but I was cool. I knew time would tell, so I was cool. I knew what I did, and then I know people who know music will like it. So for somebody to just sit at the FM station and say something because he's having the opportunity, I was cool with it. I was cool with it, and here I am now.
Is that how you always deal with negative energy? Because, you know, even though there's so much light and support, there are some people who, no matter what you do, will never be impressed.
Something people, you cannot impress everybody. So you just for the few fans that you have, you try to entertain them. You can't kill yourself. Try to entertain them. Yeah. So you can't entertain anybody, everybody. No. At the end point, you'll be an obepe. Jesus, you'll be in check. God in the pool, be feed the God behind you. So who are you? Yeah.
True, very inspiring stuff. Before you do leave us, brother, what do you want to tell your fans? All the people who supported you, all the people who believe in you.
Okay, I'll say this is for them. This is for them. I would like to thank the whole Ghana, especially people in the diaspora. They supported this song because they could relate. So they supported this song, this behind the scenes song. I'd like to say a big shout out to Two Bass. He played the beat. I'd like to say big shout out to Kindi. He did the mixing. Seshi. A lot of people were involved, you see. So, big up everybody. Team Move. I love you. Thanks for the support. This is for you. Move.